Hello, it's me, Kat, and I'm here today with a gift for you, and this is our Friday Patreon video. It is a video from one of our well over 600 videos that we have. I just take one from the back and send it out here for you to enjoy. It will still be relevant, of course. All the videos are relevant, and if you decide that you want to receive one every day, 5 days a week, all year long, then come sign up. Go to patreon.com and sign up. You have 3 tiers to choose from. The first one is $5 a month, and that gives you a video every single day, except Saturday and Sunday, but every single weekday, Monday through Friday, a fresh new one. If you go to the second tier, which is $25, that's a mentoring from me once a month, personally helping you through our system, and you get the videos, so that's pretty cool. And then the third video, the highest tier that I have right now, is $50 a month. And that's for those of you who are looking for a little bit more. You want 2 personal mentorings a month of 25 minutes, and then you want to be able to access the videos. So these are the 3 tiers in Patreon for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon on Patreon. Hello, patrons. Today we're talking about invisible clutter. What is invisible clutter? It's clutter that you don't see, obviously. And I know you see your clutter. I know that you have clutter. I know that your clutter is weighing you down. But I want you to really look and see that clutter that has been there for a week, a quarter, a season, a year, years and years, okay? The thing about that clutter is we don't really see it. We see it when we want to, but we don't really see it because we don't want to see it. But we know it's there and it weighs us down. The other thing about that clutter is the majority of the time, the clutter that's been sitting there, the things in that clutter pile have not been needed. What does that tell you? Okay, so I want you to put on your special glasses and see the clutter. What are your special glasses? Any lens of any camera. Your phone will do. I know I've told you to do this before, but do it now. Take your phone, look through the lens, and look at the clutter. Look at the corners, look at the edges, look at the center, look up the walls, look around the windows, look under the desk, look everywhere. Take pictures. Keep those pictures in a special file. Look at those pictures. See the clutter you have, and now make a plan. Make a plan to get rid of the invisible clutter. You are the clutter buster, all right? So you're going to go in there and you're going to say, okay, I'm going to work for 15 minutes on this particular bit of clutter. The key is to stay put. Stay with your feet on the ground in 3 separate containers, easily identifiable as throw away, put away, and give away. Do not move from your spot. Make sure you've got a timer and some great music or something to motivate you. And then take your little hand and reach into the clutter pile and pick the thing up and say, throw away, put away, give away. You don't even have to say it. Let your mind do it because it says it a lot faster. And then obey your mind and put it in the proper box. Don't worry about it. Just obey your mind and put it in the proper box. No second guessing, no pulling it back out of the box, no trying to convince yourself otherwise. Let your mind do the work, put it in the proper container. When the timer goes off, or when the clutter pile is gone, whichever comes first, then you can move. If you still have time, go to the next section and start working on that. But once that buzzer buzzes, no matter where you are, pencils down, okay, we're done. Now we're going to complete the process. So now we're going to take the one that says throw away. We're not going to look in the box. We're going to take it outside, put it in a garbage bag, and throw it away. Now we're going to go to the giveaway. We're not going to look in the box. We're going to take it to the back of the car and close the door of the trunk. Now for the put away. Now you can have help on any of these things. Little delegation here goes a long way. Honey, would you put this in the garbage? Baby, would you put this in the back of the car for Mama? Thank you. And now let's go through what's in the put away box. Okay, so pick up something. Okay, this is definitely put away. So this is Andy's. Andy, come here and put your socks where they go. These are dirty. Go put them in the dirty clothes. Don't leave them in this room anymore. Now this and this and this goes in your bedroom. All right, go put that in your bedroom. Meanwhile, call your little munchkins around and delegate where you want things to go. Go put this on the table in the kitchen for mama. Go put this in your closet. Go put this in the garbage. Oops, I don't know how it got in this basket. It's garbage. You know, and go through that box. Once you're done, and maybe you don't even have room to put it away, and that's okay. Remember, my trick is to have an empty box in the corner of the room that you want to put it in, and those things go in that box, and only those things go in that box. Those are your very precious put away items for when you declutter the rest of the room, and now you have room to put those things away, okay? So that's invisible clutter. That's how we tackle it, and then one day it really will be gone, and it won't be invisible clutter. It will be clutter-free. And the difference in having a cleared space and in having a cluttered space is so phenomenal, and you will feel so much lighter and so much more invigorated and so much more inspired to keep the room clean. The other thing to remember, and I tell you this all the time on my dailies, is a clutter check of this area 3 times a day, because this is a spot where everybody just dumps stuff. So we're going to clutter check it 3 times a day, especially that little place you just decluttered. It needs to stay pristine. Okay, not perfect, but no more clutter. So that when you look at it, you can say, uh-oh, Charles, are these your shoes, baby? I know you didn't mean to leave them there. Where do they go? Good boy, take them and go put them there. Okay, that's what you do. Or, whoops, look what I put here. And you help each other. Help each other stay in check. This is a helping each other. This is not a accusatory thing. This is a helpful thing. We are helping each other keep our home clean. This is just the beginning. Our whole house is going to look like this little spot. Isn't that exciting? I know, we'll have room to play. Okay, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, patrons. And always remember that you're beautiful, so be beautiful.